Laughing. Yeah. Yeah, you got my number still, right? Yeah, okay, bet. Yeah, hit me up, man. I can't do it now, but yeah, do it anyway. Whenever you get tired. Oh! Miss, you ain't stirred up, miss. I just had a shot of Henny right now. God dang. Ah, damn. Okay. God damn. Hey. I ain't want to taste that Henny like that. Damn. She should have shook my shit. She didn't shake my shit out. Okay, we got Rhonda Bermuda. Where you from, Rhonda? Oh, what's up with it, Ramon? Got my boy in the building, y'all. We got Ramon in the building. Hey, man. Man, we need to go down there, man.
The car's right there. It's already back.
Oh, they already brought it back? God damn, they too quick for me. I'm scared to go over there, really. You know they don't want to talk right now. I don't want to talk about it. It's fucked up. $80,000 motor and a freaking $100 throttle cable freaking got hung. I don't want to fucking talk about it right now. Yeah, I don't know. Y'all want me to be bold and ask him anyway? All right, give a fuck. This one, he looked the most unbusy. How you doing, man? Hey, how you doing, sir? You was there when that, where was you at?
I was on the starting line.
You was on the starting line? I was trying to, have you figured out what happened yet? The throttle was hung on it? Dang, I ain't get to make it all the way down there, so I ain't heard nothing. And he couldn't cut it off? It wouldn't turn off?
No.
Oh, that's messed up, man.
Hung on the spring.
It hung on the spring? God dang. Oh, like that.
Huh? How much it was open? You was the one driving?
Oh, like that.
Oh, it's your fault.
Didn't. Damn. Well, y'all got the story. They got everybody on her. Everybody was wondering. I was like, dang, it sound like he ain't got off the gas. But then I seen it was slowing down, going to turn the return. I was like, well, I don't know what that noise is.
Yeah, pretty sure, bro. Yeah, I tried to do it.
Well, at least they all right now, y'all. My bad, y'all. I had seen it come on and exited anyway. Big nasty car, his throttle got hung up. Well, the internet giving me a hard time tonight, y'all. Okay. I think the blows. Got all my technical people. Yeah, there's a freaking solar shit. Messing with their, yeah, it's a freaking solar shift messing with the internet, dude. There's a lot of activity going on in the solar system right now.
The ionosphere, I heard.
Yeah,
That's the word
freaking
I heard.
ionosphere.
See that motor pop earlier, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, that hurt to watch, man. Just let a motor go sometimes. And it's fun on the computer when it's a game.
Yeah.
When I hear that dude, I hear you 4,000 RPMs, ain't coming down. 5,000, ain't coming down. Climbing up to 7,000, 8, 9, just sitting about 9. Pop! Fuck. That's it, man. Makes my stomach hurt.
Y'all want to make his stomach hurt? You know what to do now.
Smoke with that complete.